Alright, this is my economy engine, a model of a hit and miss engine that I built some time back. It's a little small, as you can see. Those are 6-inch flywheels, and it has an 1 1/8 bore, 1 3/4 stroke. First off, I got to show you how easy it is to start. We'll see anyway. First, I have to give it a little prime here. Just get a little gas in that cylinder. Clean it up a little bit. Then we'll put the thing on. Turn on the ignition switch there, and we'll see if it starts. No, not that time. There. Second shot. How's that? Oh, I'm running a little fast right now. I do that so it warms up just a little bit, and then I can slow it down. When you use these engines, typically we're run sort of slow. Yeah, that's slowed down now. It's in the vicinity of a little less, maybe a little less than 500 RPM right now. That to me is when they're most interesting, when they're running slow. See if I can move this tripod around and get some little more interesting shots here. Zoom in a little bit on that bugger. Awkward to move this thing. Little different perspective. Very different perspective here. You can see the flyball governor there, sort of just a little bit to the left and above center there. See the flyball, that's called a flyball governor, how it throws itself out. It's that brass, those brass balls there. Right in there. I'll try and go around and get it from the other side here a little bit. There you are. Again, a little different perspective. To me, it's just a very nice running engine. I really enjoy it. And as you can tell, I'm a little bit proud of it. I guess that's to be expected. Nothing like mass confusion here. You can see the pulley on this side on the full-size engines, of course, that's where they attached the piece of machinery that they were running, whether it be a saw or a pump or whatever. This was the finally get this thing where I can see. This is the standard of the industry. This is the first power they had on a farm other than a horse and a man, of course. And they were portable. Usually they were mounted on wooden rails of some sort so that easily two men could move them. These smaller engines, like this one, is modeled after horse and a half, 1.5, 2 horsepower. They weighed in the range of maybe 200 pounds, in that range, plus or minus. So 2 men could easily move them. They call them stationary engines. Zoom in here a little bit and make it. You can see the valves up front are working. That's the exhaust valve down here, and this is the intake valve up here. The reason for this other filler thing here, the original model was designed to have the gas tank in that base, and then I decided to be different, and I put my gas tank out here, as you can see, this brass tank. But I ended up, so I've got the filler hole. I may change that someday and put the gas tank back inside the engine base. We have a rechargeable battery in here and a set of points. Those points are identical points that were used on the Model T Ford. On those coils that I rebuild. This is a new set here. And it has a rechargeable battery in there. It makes it for a very nice arrangement for an engine like this when you're moving it around, transporting it, and that type of thing. I'm going to speed it up here just so you can see what I've got. Lever is the change. That's the throttle lever there, and it speeds it up. You can hear the difference. I like the slow running action myself. Maybe I should see if I can set this thing up right where I can walk in there and show my face a little bit here. Maybe I can back up a little bit more. That ought to do it. Put it up there where... See if I can get in the damn picture here a little bit. Look at my smiling face here. I don't know. Probably got to get down here a little lower. This is the problem when you're doing these things all by yourself. I don't have anybody here to tell me up, down, left, right, or whatever. Anyway. Maybe we've had enough engine running, huh? What do you think?